Okay, I'm done receiving the packages for today. Adafruit is completely empty. The governor just said you can only have 25% of your workforce. We were already down to 50 proactively, and they changed that to 25. So I am the less than 1%. I'm one out of 130 or so total. So here's shipping. And as you can see, it's completely closed down. We got out all the packages yesterday, and then we did a special run today. When I say we, had a helper bring that to the post office. So this is Adafruit closed down. Okay, this is Adafruit. We are shut down. We have a lot of manufacturing capabilities. We place millions of tiny parts on circuit boards. I believe we have one of the only stencilers and probably the only two Samsung high-speed pick-and-place machines would allow you to put tiny parts on circuit boards. We'll be sending emails to our contacts that we know to help in any way that we can to manufacture any equipment that's needed during COVID. You can see we have all the capabilities. We have all the testing procedures. We even have equipment that some people might need. We would need special permission to be considered an essential business. And that's what I'm going to work on next, is just outlining everything that we have, everything we can do. We are in Manhattan, and so we're in the epicenter in a lot of ways. So that's what we're doing.